Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to export audiograms for social media from Descript. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to export audiograms for social media from your Descript, then all you gotta do is simply go to Descript. Once you are in your Descript, to export audiograms for social media, you need to simply select your desired audio clip. You need to simply select it and go to share or publish menu. Now you need to choose the audiogram option to customize your layout. Like you want waveform, color, or logo, and then export it as a video file, that is MP4 for sharing. You need to ensure you select the final clip and export setting for social media. So once you have simply done all of these, you will be able to export audiograms for your social media from the help of Descript. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.